Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey of creativity and sustainability. Join me as we learn how to transform everyday recycled materials into stunning stone art. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting out, these techniques will inspire you to create unique pieces that are not only beautiful but also good for the planet. Let's get started. Creating unique and beautiful stone art from recycled materials is a fantastic way to express creativity while being eco-friendly. Here are some ideas and techniques to help you transform everyday recycled items into stunning pieces. 1. Gathering materials. Recycled glass. Collect old bottles or jars to create faux stone pieces or mosaics. Plastic waste. Use plastic containers or wrappers to mimic the texture of stone, paper, and cardboard. Old newspapers or cardboard can be used for creating durable bases or textures. 2. Techniques for transformation. Mosaic art. Process. Break down recycled glass or ceramics into small pieces and arrange them into patterns. Use a strong adhesive to secure them onto a wooden or cardboard base. Finish. Grout the spaces between pieces for a polished stone look. Seal with a non-toxic sealer for durability. Beat paper mache. Process. Use strips of newspaper dipped in a mixture of glue and water to create forms. Shape them into stones or boulders, layering for strength. Finish. Once dry. Paint with earthy tones and textures to mimic natural stones. See plastic stone casting. Process. Melt down plastic waste, like bottles, and pour it into molds to create stone-like shapes. Ensure safety measures while melting. Finish. Sand and paint to achieve a realistic stone appearance. 3. Natural paints and finishes. Use natural paints made from clay, charcoal, or plant dyes to color your pieces. This keeps your art eco-friendly and enhances the natural aesthetic. 4. Incorporating natural elements. Add elements like sand, pebbles, or twigs into your art for texture and a connection to nature. These can be embedded in paper mache or glued onto mosaic pieces. 5. Functional art. Create practical items such as planters. Use recycled containers as bases for stone art planters, coasters. Cut and decorate recycled materials to serve as eco-friendly coasters. 6. Community and collaboration. Host workshops or collaborate with local artists to share techniques and ideas for using recycled materials in stone art. This can foster community and inspire more eco-friendly practices. 7. Sharing your work. Document your process and finished pieces on social media or through a blog. Highlight the importance of recycling and sustainability in your art. Transforming recycled materials into stunning stone art not only allows for creativity but also promotes environmental consciousness. By using everyday items creatively, you can make beautiful pieces that are good for the planet while inspiring others to do the same. Let your imagination guide you, and enjoy the process of creating. Sure. Here are more ideas and techniques for transforming everyday recycled materials into stunning stone art. 8. Textured surface techniques. Stone textures. Use materials like sponges, crumpled paper, or fabric to create stone-like textures on your art pieces. Dip them in paint or plaster and press them onto surfaces for a tactile effect. Layering. Build up layers of recycled paper or cardboard to create depth and dimension in your stone art. This technique works well for creating faux rock formations. 9. Upcycling household items. Old furniture. Repurpose worn-out furniture by adding stone art elements. For example, create a stone-like tabletop using mosaic techniques or paint. Broken pottery. Use shards of broken pottery or tiles to create intricate stone mosaics. These pieces can add a colorful touch to your stone art. 10. Nature-inspired designs. Leaf imprints. Collect leaves or flowers and press them into clay or paper mache to create natural imprints that resemble stones. Once dry, paint them to enhance their appearance. Rock painting. Gather smooth stones from your yard or local park. Paint or decorate them with recycled materials like fabric scraps or beads to create unique pieces. 11. Creating faux stone, concrete mixture. Use a mixture of recycled paper pulp and concrete to mold faux stone pieces. This technique allows you to shape and create intricate designs that resemble natural stones. Plaster casting. Mix recycled materials with plaster to create lightweight, stone-like sculptures. Use molds to shape your designs and then paint them. 12. Lighting elements, solar-powered lights. Incorporate recycled glass jars or bottles into your stone art by adding solar-powered fairy lights inside. This creates beautiful, glowing pieces for outdoor spaces. Lampshades. Use paper mache or recycled plastic to create lampshades that mimic the look of stone. When lit, these can cast beautiful shadows. 13. Seasonal decor, holiday pieces. Create seasonal decorations using recycled materials. For instance, design stone-themed ornaments for winter holidays using painted cardboard or paper. Garden decor. Make garden markers from recycled materials decorated to resemble stones. This adds a personal touch to your garden while being eco-friendly. 14. Educational projects, workshops for kids. Teach children about recycling and art by hosting workshops where they can create stone art from recycled materials. This promotes creativity and environmental awareness. Upcycling challenges. Organize community challenges focused on upcycling materials into stone art. This can foster creativity and encourage sustainable practices. 15. Eco-friendly adhesives and finishes. Use non-toxic glue and finishes to ensure your artwork remains eco-friendly. Look for natural sealers or varnishes made from plant-based ingredients. By exploring these techniques and ideas, you can create diverse and stunning stone art pieces from recycled materials. Not only does this promote creativity, but it also contributes to a more sustainable planet. Embrace the challenge of using everyday items in innovative ways, and let your artistic vision shine. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure. I hope you feel inspired to start transforming recycled materials into your own stunning stone art. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your creations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly DIY projects. Together, we can make a difference, one beautiful piece at a time. See you next time.